Importance of internship. If you want to ask me any question, you can please ask me about internship or about commerce education kiba hudibo thakile tumi ista korle hudibo para. But about internship kiba jodi hudibo pare konobai, if you have anything to ask, you can tell me. Kiman time hoise Gaurav Dutta? Time hoise? Full hoise? Eh? Acha. Te moi 10 minute commerce education or varieties koi diu neki? Koi diu? Tate inspired hoi jabo. Tomaloke bore nohoba internship or kiba proshno bisari thakason. Anybody can ask me any question, I'll be very happy. Please, etu moi next to loi lo. Ek second moi hunim. Yesu, amar university beleko di ase. Jodi tumi eibilako interest hoa, amar university bole moi koa na, etu personal care moi loi asu. Etu tomar hoise fundamental of taxation. Lagibo aru eta moi tomai dekhaisu. Etu nukulile moi change ke etu amar university di ase digital marketing aru 2 to 4 years tate online offline dutai hobo. These are all of research oriented. But moi agot dekhaisu you can do any industry anywhere. Etu ready made more example karone moi dekhaisu.